G'day guys, Robbo here again. Today I've been to Carl's Jr. My first visit to Carl's Jr. Going to try 2 burgers for you today. A movie promotions burgers actually. A Kong burger and a Godzilla burger. Which one have I got here? I've got the Godzilla burger first, which is Angus beef and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we'll see what's on it. Give it a taste and we'll rate it. Check that out. That is huge. Now I'm actually doing a live stream to Instagram at the moment, so I'm going to give you guys a look as well. Check that out. So let's give it a go. It's got 3 patties on it. It's got cheese. It's got some kind of sauce on the top. It looks like mayo, I think. With bacon. I'll give it a taste and see what sort of sauce I think it is. First bite of Carl's Jr. One bite in, and the burger's trying to fall apart on me already. It's a nice big burger. Wow, that tastes really good. I'm not sure if that sauce is mayo, but
looks a bit like chipotle or something.
Yeah, it tastes really good, whatever it is. If any of my my Instagram supporters know what's on this Godzilla burger, you know what sort of sauce it is, let me know. I forgot to look it up. Bit slow.
Do you want me to look?
Brooke's going to look it up for us. So, while Brooke looks that up, I've got to say, alright, I'll tell you the price first. Okay, so we've got the Godzilla burger. Cost me $17.95. And it is massive, right? So for the price, $17.95 for a burger this size, I'm going to give that, I'm going to say 7.5 out of 10, because I mean it could have been a bit cheaper. You get a triple cheeseburger cheaper, and they're close to this size. But okay, and taste, very nice tasting burger. Had to have another bite because it tastes so good. Okay, so taste, I'm going to give it a 9 because it does taste really nice. And I'm forgetting something. What am I forgetting? No, I'm not. No, size. For the price and the size, 7.5 for the price and size together. Yeah, but very tasty. So I'm going to put this aside for a sec because I've still got to get the other burger in me yet.
Got the ingredients there.
Oh, Brooks just found out what sauce is on this.
So it is just mayonnaise. So it's 3 Angus beef patties, 4 strips of bacon, 3 slices of American cheese, mayonnaise, and a premium bun.
Nice. I couldn't help having one more bite then. No, I'll put this burger aside and we'll get on to the next one. The next one is the Kong burger. I'm busy with the details for that one.
I'm working on it.
Sweet. So we got one person watching us at the moment. Who would that be? Looks like we've had a few people watching us during the stream. Right. Now the Kong burger is a chicken burger. So it's got, obviously got chicken on it. Let's see what else it's got. Oh, and it's the Kong burger is $12.95, and it's still a decent sized burger. Get the paper out of the way so you can get a good look at this. Check it out. Not as big, but still awesome. It's got chicken, lettuce, cheese sauce by the look of it. Might even have ranch. Has it got ranch?
No, it's got Santa Fe sauce, which I believe to be a bit of a chili sauce.
Oh, chili. We all know I love chili. Not. So.
Looks good, bud.
Oh, and a bit of tomato I can see.
And lettuce.
Yeah, I see lettuce.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's alright. All good.
2 slices of cheese.
And the lettuce is trying to escape, so I'm going to go this side first. You say 2 slices of cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I thought it was cheese sauce, but cool. See, 2 slices of cheese. Who doesn't love cheese?
Ben.
Brooke's boyfriend don't like cheese.
Weirdo.
Hope you don't see this video. Alright. So I'm tasting the spice a little bit already. Had a couple of bites. Good tasting burger. Now $12.95 for that. What do you reckon? I reckon it's a bit better deal. You know, decent size, a bit cheaper on the price. So for price and size combined again, I'm going to give it, this time I'm going to give it a 9, because that's good. It's a nice size, good price, so I'm happy with that. Now the taste. Well, I'm going to take a point off because it's spicy. It's starting to burn. But apart from the burn, it does taste good. The mix of flavours. Oh, I'll give you another look. I'm not giving you enough of a look at this one. How good is that? Mix of flavours in it. Does taste good. So, Carl's Jr., you've done well. I love my chicken. 9.5 out of 10. Alright. You almost got a 10. You almost got a 10, but my mouth's burning, so you're not getting a 10. Tell you what though. Alright. I'm going to put this aside. Now you would have seen in my last video. In my last video I went to Hungry Jack's. Nice burger. But they gave me the shits. Yeah. Hungry Jack's. Carl's Jr. wins the straw competition. Look at this. Put that in your fucking drinks, you bastards. It's plastic too. Put that in your fucking drink, you bastards. You might think I'm being harsh, but God, how the fuck are you supposed to drink out of this when there's got a fucking straw in it? Yeah, alright, you take the fucking lid off. Alright, I know. Oh, by the way, I've got ginger beer. Only downside of today's visit to Carl's Jr. was that the Coke machine wasn't working. So I got ginger beer. And it's very nice tasting ginger beer. So, for the drink, and for this awesome straw, I'm going to give you a 9.9 out of 10.
Ooh.
I really like this ginger beer. I really like plastic straws. And it's a good size medium. That's medium. Look at it. How good's that? Alright, that's enough of me dribbling on. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.